Hello sports fans, stick around and see what's in the plain white box. And welcome back. So what's in the plain white box? Well, this is a new toy I ordered and got from Amazon, and I've actually already unpacked it. And here it is. It's a Master air compressor and tank that I'll be using with my new item that's in this box, Airbrush. There you go, Iwata. So I got an Iwata Eclispe to go along with my Airbrush compressor. So what came with the compressor? Well, compressing had a hose, a little manual, and a couple little items here. There are airbrush holders. There's two of them. There was two. The other one's on the floor. So you can, easy for someone else to do. So you got two slots. This is right there. So I assumed you'd be able to slide your airbrush in there. We'll see. All right, so let's talk about the air compressor. So this is a TC-40T. It's supposed to be fairly quiet from the reviews I've seen of it. It has a 3-liter tank. Let's see. It has a 1.6 horsepower motor. It has a 23 liter per minute flow rate. Auto starts at 43 psi. Auto stop at 57 psi. Again, 3-liter tank. Weighs 5.2 kilograms. Again. Oh, there you go for those of. So that's it. So first thing I'm going to do with this is I'm going to hook it up, see how long it takes for it to charge the 3-liter tank, and then also do a cursory check on leaks. So let's go ahead and screw in the air hose. And before I do that, I'll also need to put on airbrush. Well, that's very well. So what is in here with the airbrush? Test prints show that it works. Little instructions, I guess. So this is the Eclispe. It is gravity feed. What else comes in here? A little sticker. There's the airbrush itself. So it is gravity fed. Put paint in here. Got the lid. It's dual action. So you press down on the button to start the airflow, and then you pull back for the paint. So attach that. What else comes in the box? Wouldn't be a box without one of these, right? What else? Oh, colorful air hose. This looks like a little bit longer. So I've got two air hoses. It's also some airbrush cleaner, as well as some ultramarine paint. I assume this is acrylic. There's also a tube of, I guess this is lubricating oil. Let's see, it's silicone free, non-toxic. And in the bottom, last but not least, is a free copy Airbrushing, a user's guide to getting started. So that's what comes with the airbrush. Now, back to the test of the compressor. Okay. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to time how long it takes for it to charge. So let's get started with that. Well, there we have it. It took 1 minute and 29 seconds to go from 0 psi to fully charged. According to pressure gauge, it says 60 psi. According to the notes on the side of the tank, it says it should stop at 57, plus or minus 3 psi. Alright, I don't notice any leaks offhand. The gauge is holding solid at 60 psi. That's a good sign. I don't feel any leaks. So let's see where it kicks in. It says 43. Let's see. Okay, so it kicked on at around 48, not 43. And again, it kicked off at 60. So maybe what I need to do, since this pressure gauge on here goes from 0 to 100 psi, maybe I should get a finer gauge when it goes from 0 to 75 or 0 to 80. That would give me a little finer scale. This is kind of a coarse scale from 0 to 100 since it stopped at 60. So anyways, that seems good. I don't notice any leaks offhand. I'll do a better soap test offline, but right now I don't see any major leaks. Don't feel any leaks. That's the pressure relief on the back. So, and this is the regulator. You got turn it. Let's see. You go counterclockwise to decrease and clockwise to increase from my perspective. And that locks it. Got a water trap. Okay, so why am I purchasing this air compressor and airbrush? Well, a couple of reasons. I've kind of always wanted to dabble a little bit with airbrushing. I have a friend of mine who makes his own decoys and paints them, airbrushes, and he hunts ducks, and so he makes his own duck decoys. He does a good job of that. And so also I was watching a video on another YouTuber's channel, 3D Maker Noob, Joshua Kasha, I believe. I pronounced that probably close, but not quite. But anyways, if you've not checked out 3D Maker Noob, go ahead and check it out. It's a great YouTube channel. I really like his channel, and he does some airbrushing. And watching him airbrush some of his 3D printed models got me kind of inspired to go ahead and delve into airbrushing, since I've always wanted to anyways. So I thought I'd give it a shot, and I thought I would try these two. These seem to be good reviews, and I'll give them a shot and keep you informed and let you know, and hopefully not in the not too distant future, I'll show you some of my 3D printed parts that I've completed airbrushing. So we'll see how that goes. Anyways, hey, if you like this video, thumbs up. Didn't, thumbs down. Either way, how about leaving me a comment on why you give me the thumbs up or the thumbs down? I don't care which one. It's okay with me. It's up to you. But hey, press that subscribe button. Why don't you? Help keep an old man off the street. And I'm sorry about that, hitting the microphone. So, from Harry, at Harry's Stuff and Such, I'll catch you guys on the backside on the next time when maybe I will have some models that I've finished and post-process with some airbrushing techniques. And you'll get to see if I'm good at it or not. You guys take care now, and I'll catch you on the backside.